What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Cam's Travels. Today, Emily and I are staying here at Universal Orlando's Endless Summer Dockside Resort. We are super excited. This is our first time staying here. It opened, I think, a year ago, maybe less than a year ago.
Maybe, yeah.
So we are super excited to stay here. We hope you guys are super excited for this video as well. We have a lot of fun things planned: a full resort tour, a room tour, and even a fun day at the pool.
Woo.
Super excited. Tomorrow we are going to Universal Orlando to do the early admission access for resort guests. So let's go have an awesome staycation. As soon as you arrive here to Dockside Resort, you are greeted with a huge sign that says Dockside, and here is the Port of Cashier, which has a cool, like, I don't know what to call it, but a cool, like, effect to the roof. But let's head on inside to the lobby and check out the inside.
Yes. Can you get your temperature? And then you have a souvenir armband. Indicates we're taking your temperature. As long as you wear that, we won't take your temperature again today. And it works for your third parts as well.
Perfect, thank you so much.
So it's on the left-hand side.
Awesome, thank you.
Good to know.
So here is the main lobby at Dockside Resort. Over there is the check-in. Right there is where you get your temperature check. They temperature check you when you walk in to check into the resort. As you can see, I got a band right here. Over to the left is a full-service Starbucks. So we will definitely be getting that tomorrow morning before we head to the parks. Some very cool details here in the main lobby. Let's go explore some more. So just off from the lobby is the Sunset Lounge, which is a cool bar area that opens at 4 p.m. daily. So the Sunset Lounge is a full service bar that opens daily at 4 p.m. here outside of the lobby. They have a cool seating area over here, very spacious, a lot of room. We might have to come here later and get some drinks, but let me go show you the quick service area here at Dockside. So to the left of the lobby is the Pier 8 Market, which is Dockside Bay's resort quick service restaurant. It smells amazing. We might have to get some food from here before we go to the pool later. But here's just a quick look overview of the area. You have your dining all the way down here, and then all the way down there you have your Coke Freestyle machines, which is a huge plus. And I wish Disney would get those, but you know, only Universal has them right now. Towards the back of the lobby, they do have a Universal Studios store here with your typical Universal Studios merchandise, Harry Potter, Jurassic Park, all that sorts of stuff. But over here they have exclusive endless summer merchandise, such as this hoodie. A lot of stuff over here with shirts, looks like a picture book, some coasters, some bandanas, some pens. I might have to add this pen to my collection because I always collect pens at whatever resorts I stay at, which is really cool. Some coffee mugs, and they do have a deal going on right now. Spend $195 on a single purchase. You get a free non-interactive wand with that purchase, which is valued at $50. They have some different kind of merchandise here in the back. More coffee mugs, tumblers, some more merchandise, different kind, a towel, a t-shirt for the ladies, and here is a different shot glass. I might have to get this too. I am in love with shot glasses. I love collecting the different ones. This is a really, really cool one. So normally when I give these resort tours of the lobby, Emily likes to sit and relax while I go walk around and, you know,
This chair is really comfortable.
do my thing. Is it comfortable?
It is.
All right,
I get
well-
to here all day.
Well, you can't because we gotta go show them the room. Come on.
Oh, let's go.
So our room is in Tower 1, and as we head out over here into the area before we get into the elevators, there's this really cool breezeway. It's very pretty with these cool designs. Emily twirling because I don't know what she's doing. And now we get over here towards the elevators. But look at these. Yeah, the wind's kind of heavy. I bet these lights are really cool. We're going to come back at night after a long pool day. But here we are into the elevators. We're now heading into the fitness center. Here are the hours posted right here.
Wow.
And then here's the fitness center. Oh wow, this is very nice. Very nice fitness center. It's actually way bigger than I thought it would be. And then obviously they have TVs for you right there. All kind of different weights for you to choose from. Different machines, different ellipticals. And then if you notice right here, I'm gonna go between these machines. You have a very beautiful view of the pool, which we'll be going to after I give you guys the room tour. But let's keep walking around the main lobby. So here at the elevators, they do have hand sanitizer so that everyone can stay clean and stay healthy. There's Emily. And then we're gonna walk to our room down here. It has this cool little mural of the palm tree with the sun going inside of it. But let's head to the room. All right, everyone, we have finally made it to our room, room 1954. Let's go inside and check it out. So here at Endless Bay's Dockside Resort, Emily and I got the 2-bedroom suite, which comes with 2 queen beds here, and there's another room back there that I will show you. But the first thing you notice is this room is very spacious, has a ton of room for things. But one of the coolest things I realized when I first walked into this room is look at this little key thing. So you put your little key card in here, and boom, like Emily said earlier, let there be lights. So we just showed you what happens when you put your key card in the little slot. So when you take it out, in about 45 seconds, the lights will turn off automatically, so you can leave your room with no worries about turning the lights off and save some energy. So the very first thing I noticed when I walked in is this giant surfboard off to the left. A cool fact about this resort is they have around 1,400, I think it is, different surfboards around the resort. And here's a mirror off to the left. Hello, everyone. Now, like I said, there are 2 queen-size beds here in the front room that each have their own lights on them that you can turn on for reading or whatever you want to do at night. And then obviously some paintings or pictures at the top. So you have a flat screen TV here mounted on the wall, as well as this, art mural that says surfing on the side of it. Your phone, obviously, that every resort has. And then your drawers here for your clothing. Now, a cool thing about these beds, as I'm going to show you over here, is that there is space underneath them like this for you to store your luggage, which is really cool because normally you see them on the side of the bed, but here they have them in the front of the bed. So I just turned on the TV, and as you can see, it says, "Welcome, Mr. Door." So kind of like at the Disney resorts where it welcomes your family, but the cool thing, if you zoom in, it shows a nice look at Dockside Inn and Suites Resort behind it. But the really cool thing I liked here is it has early park admission, which is what Emily and I are doing tomorrow. And if you hit the See More button, it tells you all about the early park admission, and it says enjoy early park admission to Universal Studios or Islands of Adventure and Universal's Volcano Bay 1 hour before park opens. Now, which park the early admission applies to depends on the day. So for us, tomorrow is going to be Islands of Adventure. Some days it could be Universal Orlando. But just a nice little thing here to let you know about the information on early park admission, the transportation to and from the theme parks, as well as CityWalk. But yeah, some really cool things here. It shows you the amenities on the TV, the pool, again, transportation, the Universal store, the planning center downstairs that helps you plan your vacation, dining, all that sorts of stuff. And then it has your dining options for the resort. So the Pier 8 Market, the Oasis Beach Bar, Sunset Lounge, Starbucks, and pizza delivery to your room. And for the bedside table here, they have this almost like chest looking thing. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Can we even open it? It does not look like we can open it. Well, that's useful. Can't even open this chest. Also, they have the remote in its plastic bag, knowing that it's sanitized. A little tiny alarm clock here. A little tiny thing of hand sanitizer. We will get to the view in a second. The view is amazing. So this resort does give off a lot of beach vibes. Even this little table right here in the kitchen area, as you can see, it's like a little wooden picnic table Emily's sitting at.
And this bench comes out.
And the bench comes out as well. We have this overhead.
A little farm table.
Yeah. They have this overhead light right here, and then just a little a minimalist kitchen. You have your microwave, fridge over there. Some storage area, and then little shelves up here for there's trash bags up there for anything you want to put up there for your food. But it does give off big Key West vibes, I would say, which is really cool. As of right now, I'm loving this resort. Especially, it is a great bang for your buck. It is right now. We paid for this 2-bedroom suite. There's a second bedroom. I'll get to that. We paid for this 2-bedroom suite. I think it was about $140. We did get an annual pass discount, but it's not bad here in Orlando. Here is the sink, which you can see is right off of the kitchen. Double vanity. I think that's what it's called, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, perfect. See, I know my stuff. Double vanity mirror. They have a blow dryer here in case you need that. Hand soap that is packaged up. Your tissues, some hand towels, your towels for your showering. And now here you have your shower. Just a typical, nothing really special about this bathroom. But they do have their own little soap, kind of like how Disney does. It's called Surf and Sand. So there's hair conditioner, there's shampoo, there's obviously bar soap, and then you have your toilet. Nothing special about this bathroom. Now let's head on to the second bedroom. Here in the second bedroom, you kind of have the same thing. You have a flat screen TV mounted on the wall, another wall light right there, just a kind of a side chair if you want to place anything there, or even if you're having a conversation with someone, you want to sit there. Now here's the cool part. You do have the queen size bed, and then on each side of the bed, as you can see, there's little lights right here that you can turn on with a flick of a button. Boom. And the nice thing is they have these USB outlets as well as your normal outlets, but this is really cool so that you can plug your cord in case you forget the little box for your iPhone, your Android, your Apple Watch, whatever else you are charging, which is really cool. And then over here is a little tiny, very minimalist closet with little curtains right here. As you can see, has the ironing board, the iron. This resort does give off a lot of beach vibes. So that was our quick little room tour right here. Emily's now unpacking because we're about to get ready to
Pool time!
Like she said, we're about to get ready to go to the pool, but I want to show you guys this view real quick because it is insane. If you guys can tell already, at the top right there is Volcano Bay. Hint, hint, it's opening weekend. I'll be there Sunday. But here is the giant pool. You guys kind of saw it when I was introducing the video at the beginning. Giant pool, it's very empty right now, which is going to be super awesome because everyone's at the park. So Emily and I are just going to go enjoy the pool, go get some drinks at the Oasis pool bar, and I now have my GoPro. So we're going to shoot some really cool videos in the water, kind of take you guys around the pool, make this video a little bit longer, showing you guys what all you can do at this resort. So we have now checked off the block, the lobby, the front area of the resort. Talked about how they give you these wristbands, they temperature check you. You guys saw that video. And here's the room tour. Now we're gonna go enjoy the pool, get a bite to eat, maybe get some drinks. I'm super excited about this. I hope you guys are ready for the rest of this video because we're gonna have a great time. We are staying here tonight. Obviously, we're going to Universal Studios tomorrow. I'm gonna show you guys an update on Velocicoaster because the walls are currently down and you can literally look inside the whole coaster. So I'm super excited for you all to see that. And we're also going to test out the early park admission for resort guests because we get in an hour early. So that is going to be super cool. Hopefully we can get on Hagrid's. That is going to be tough to get. So it's going to be fun and I can't wait for that. So let's change to the GoPro and head on over to the pool. So just to give you guys an aspect of where we are, like I was saying earlier when I was showing you this view, that right there is Volcano Bay. So Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure is just behind this part of the resort right here. And now let's head on over to the pool. So here at the pool, they have complimentary towels that you can take. Emily's grabbing some for us. And then obviously you can return them over here. But guys, this pool is beautiful. Let's go find some chairs. Here at the Dockside pool, everyone, is the Oasis Beach Bar. This is the main beach bar here and has a very cool entrance as we walk inside to get our drinks. Now there is currently no food served here, only drinks. You have to go inside to the main quick service restaurant to get your food. But Emily and I are on our way right now to get some drinks and then we will relax by the pool. Here at Dockside there is also a splash pad, which is really cool for little kids. As you guys can see, this is like I would have a lot of fun here if I was like 4 years old. Right now I wouldn't have a lot of fun, but yes, there is a little splash pad here for the little ones. We are now out here at the pool bar. We got our pool drinks at the Oasis bar, which is right over there. We're gonna relax for a little bit and then head into the pool. The pool is empty today. It's gonna be a fantastic day here. The weather is great. If you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up because there's still a lot more here to do, so stay tuned. As you all can tell, the pool here today is very empty, which is very nice. And now, let's take a dip. Well, everyone, I think it's time to now head back upstairs. We've spent all day at the pool, and I'm getting a little hungry, so it's time to head to CityWalk. So here is that walkway at night, everyone. Remember, Emily and I talked about this earlier, how cool it would look at night. Here it is. It is a very cool walkway leading to the pool and leading to the elevator. All right, everyone. So I forgot my camera in the hotel room, but we are on our way to CityWalk. Emily and I are going to eat at Toothsome's.
Crossing our fingers.
Crossing our fingers so we can get inside. I don't know if they're going to take reservations. Sorry for the wind. I don't have my camera. But yes, that is where we are heading right now. And just outside the resort right there is the bus stop right here. Obviously, you guys will see more in my video tomorrow when we actually do the wake up early and go to the early admission theme park. But yes, we're heading to Toothsome's. Cross our fingers again to eat dinner. I'm not going to do a full Toothsome's review. I will film here and there, give our opinions on that, but here we go to CityWalk. So everyone, just like the Disney buses, the seats are numbered here on the Universal buses, and now we are on our way to Universal CityWalk. All right, everyone, we have now made it to CityWalk. We are trying to get a reservation here at Toothsome's Chocolate Factory. Let's head on over there and check out the wait time. Well, everyone, here is a closed Islands of Adventure, a very empty theme park right now. Emily and I will be here bright and early tomorrow morning for early park admission. So you guys stay tuned for that video. It'll be out tomorrow. But now is the moment of truth, everyone. We are walking up to Toothsome Emporium to see how long it is to get in.
It's so good.
I've never eaten there, so let me know down below in the comments if you guys have ever eaten there. Alright everyone, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We had an amazing stay here at Endless Summer's Dockside Resort. Now, I know tonight I did not get a lot of footage of Toothsome's Emporium. We were just having a good time and I forgot to film. But we did try their chicken sandwich, and it was by far one of the best fried chicken sandwiches I have ever had in my life, as well as their milkshakes. A 10 out of 10. Would definitely recommend you all checking it out your next time at Universal CityWalk. That was personally my first time there. So you're hearing like honest reviews. But back to Endless Summer. We had a great stay. It is Universal's newest value resort here on their property. So it is a really, really good bang for your buck. And unlike the value resorts at Disney, you get the suite option. Where at Pop Century, you wouldn't be able to get a suite option, I don't think. Where here we had this amazing suite for only $140 a night. So yes, highly recommend. Remember, tomorrow I'm doing the early admission to Universal's Islands of Adventure. I can't wait. I'm super excited. I will be doing more resort tours and maybe even more staycations very soon. So let me know down below in the comments which resorts you want me to check out that you haven't seen yet or that you just want to see again. So once again, thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you in the next one.